Today, we're going to show you how to keep in contact with your family and friends using a smart device messaging app. There are many different messaging apps you can pick from, including Skype, FaceTime, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and Google Duo. Most of them work pretty much the same, so it's all up to you and the device you're using. In this example, we're going to use Duo. So let's get started. Go to the Play Store or App Store and search for Duo. Once you pull up the app, a Get or Install button will appear. Tap the button. If the app is already installed on your device, the button will say Open. From here, all you have to do is follow the prompts on the screen. This includes agreeing with the terms and conditions, allowing permissions to run the app, and verifying your phone number. To verify your phone number, all you have to do is enter the number in the field and wait for a verification code. Enter the code on the app and you're ready to use Duo. Now that the app is installed, it's time to use it. Go to the contacts list on the app and find the person you want to get in touch with.
Here's a tip. The phone number must always include the country code.
From here, you can choose to contact your loved ones via voice call, video call, or message. Once you pick a form of contact, all you have to do is wait for the other person to pick up and you're connected. And just like that, you're talking to your loved ones. Here's a small tip for you guys. If you have the knock knock feature activated, the person you're contacting can see what you're up to right before your call connects. If you have any other questions, check out the FAQ section on our website. Thanks for watching and happy connecting!